In this video, I'll be explaining how to design an e-commerce website. To do that, you have to buy your own domain name and hosting. I've already bought it. It's in amonweb.com. So I'll log into Amonweb and then check the hosting. From there, I'll log into my cPanel. So that's what I'm trying to do. So this is the hosting, manage, and then to cPanel. After that, the next thing is to install WordPress. Okay, go to WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click on it. Before I install WordPress, I want to open the kind of website that we are going to build. Let me log into this website. Visit sites. I want to preview the site. This is the kind of website I want to build now. Can you see it? I built this for a client, so I want to use it. It has home, shop, it has contacts, so I'm going to use this for our training. So to do that, the first thing is to install WordPress. You click on WordPress, install. Then I'm going to install it in a directory. Let me use my own directory. Then let me just use it, e-commerce training. Okay, so I can change the site name to e-commerce. The description, let me just use e-commerce website. Then password. The admin username, I'm going to leave it in admin. Then the password, I'll change that one to e-commerce website, because I'm going to uninstall it when I finish. It's just for training. So info, I've created this webmail before, so that's why I'm using it. Then I want the details to be sent to my email. Okay, after installing it, let's go to the dashboard to see how it looks. Still loading. Here we go. To view our website, let's see it. Click on beside this. There is nothing there yet. Let's go back to our dashboard. Then the first thing after installing WordPress is to install the kind of theme that I want to use. I'll be using flat something for this website. I have it on my system already. Let's go back to dashboard. Okay, to install the theme, click on appearance, themes, add new, then upload theme, then I'll choose the theme from, if I can find it here, let me scroll, maybe I have it around the corner. I think I don't have it. So in case if I cannot see it like that, let me just click on show all files so that it will show all the files that I have. I can just locate it where it is. Maybe it's on the flat song. I think this is it. Flat song. 10 files, flat song. Okay. Then open it and then click on install. After installing it, then click on activate to activate it. Then let's go. Let me continue. Then continue. You just follow the step. It will install the plugins that came with the theme. Let me copy some of the images that I'll be using. Instead of downloading all these images afresh, I can just copy the images since I have access to it. So I just want to use it for an example. I want to use all these images. Instead of going to Amazon to download the images, I can just get it from here. So I'll go to the dashboard. That will make our work faster. The media library. These are all the images here. So I want to use it for 322. I think this is much. I don't need everything. Let me save the one I need. I need this one for the slider. Save image. Let me go back again. Let me just save it with A. So let me go back again. Let me see another image. This is second slider. Let me save it. Save it. I'm saving it with AA so that it will be at the top. I will not need to be searching for it up and down. Think which one again? That is for the slider. I need the logo. Logo. Where is the logo? Let me look more. This picture many. Okay. Instead of scrolling up and down, let me just go to the logo. Let me see the logo. Let me right click on it, then save it. Save image. Okay. What else do I need? I'll save this. I think I'll save this. I'll save this too. Let me save it again. Okay, let's go back to the websites we are working on. then continue. It's still installing the things. Let me go back again. Before I come back, it should have finished the installation. Let me save some items that I'll use for practice. Let me save this. Okay, save. I think I have 2 shoes there. Let me check this. Let me save this too. Save image. I just save it like this. Okay, back to. Okay, still installing. Okay, click on continue, agree and continue. Okay, view your new website. Our website is ready. This is our website. And don't forget, this is the kind of website we want to build. These are e-commerce websites. It has slider, it has logo, 3 menus, home, shop, contacts, and so on. To do that, let's go back. The first thing, let's work on our logo. Let's change our logo. This is our own. The logo that came with it is the flat song logo, the logo of the thing we are using. To change the logo, click on Customize. Still loading. Click on Header. Because the logo is at the header, this is header. Header, once you click on it, this is the logo here. So what you have to do is to click on the logo. Once you click on it, it will show the options that you can use to edit it. I can change it e-commerce to anything I want. Tagline also I can change it, but what I'm after here is logo. Click on select logo, then you upload it. I just download the logo. Let me check download. I think I saved that logo with something. Okay, good. You open it. You can just put the hot test logo. Click on save. So it has replaced it with my own logo. We are done with settings of logo. You click on publish so that you save it. Don't forget to save whatever you are doing. You publish it. The next thing, we are through with the logo. The next thing is to work on our menu, to change the menus to what we want. These are demo menus. I don't need all this content here. I only need shop, home, and then contacts. To change that, let's go back. Let me close it so that you see how to go to. Okay, this is it. From here, you click on customize. Click on menu. This is menus. These menus here, it has 2 locations. One is main menu, main. This is main. While the other one is secondary. You can decide to use any one you want, but I would prefer to use main. This is main. There are 2 options you can go with it. You can delete everything at once. You just select it, and then click on delete. It will delete all the menus there. Another way you can go about it is click on it, click on remove, click on it, click on remove. You remove it one after the other. But because I don't want this to take time, because if I said I should be clicking on it to remove, it will take time. So I'll just delete everything at once. I'll just click on delete. So that main is gone now. I want to create another one and replace it with main. Click on create menu. Let me call it main menu, because we have to name the menu first. The main menu, I want it to be at the top main bar, and I want it to be at the footer. Footer is the bottom here. I want it to be at the bottom. Click on at the footer. So after that, I'll publish it. But this main menu has no items at all. So now add items to it. Let's check it. This is our secondary menu. I don't want to use the secondary menu. I want to use the main menu. Let me go back. Let me view location. Okay, different locations. Let's go back so that it won't confuse you. This main menu. So when you are through, click on next. So the next thing is now to add items to this main menu that we just created. Click on add item. The item we need home, shop, and then contacts. The first one is home. I want home to be custom links. I don't want to use pages to create home, because once people click on that home, it's supposed to take them back to the home. This is what I mean by it. Let me explain with this. This is home here. When I'm in contact, it will display whatever data I put in contact. If I want to go back home, I click on home. So it's supposed to take me to the home of that website. Like this one is landacityclothing.com. That is the home. But the one we are working on, I want the home to be asmadigitals.com/e-commerce training. That's where I want it to be. That's where I want it to stop. This is the link I want to display at the home. I'll just copy the link, Command C or Control C. Once you copy it, you click on custom link, just paste it there. Paste. Then I will now link text. I will name it O. That's where I want to be O. Then you click on add. You can see that it shows custom link. I want to add another item now, pages. I'll click on pages. Let me add contacts. Contacts. Can change this C to capital letter. Add. Let me add another page again. Let me add shop. Then add it. As you can see, contact came before shop, but I want shop to come first. Just click on it and then drag it up. Set it very well. When you are through, click on publish. So it has changed. I want shop to be at the middle. Publish it. Okay, let me close it. We actually close it. So this is our home. If I click on home, it will show home for me. If I click on shop, it will show shop. So if I click on contacts, it will show contacts. Because I don't have any items there, that's why it's like that. Let me go back to home. I need to work on this slider. Look at this is the type of slider that I want to use. This slider. it has other items. To get that, it's different from the slider that came with this thing. It means that I have to change this slider and replace it with the kind of slider that I want. So let's work on that. You click on edit and then edit with UX Builder. Still loading. Supposed not to take time. Okay, it has opened. Okay, this is since I don't want this slider. Okay, let me call it banner now. Since I don't want this banner, I can click on this name banner, this banner here. I'll click on this settings and then click on delete. It will delete the banner. I have 3 banners here, but I don't want any of it. Click on it, click on delete. It remains 2. I can also click on this place, click on this settings and click on delete. It remains 1. Click on it, click on delete. So let me now add another item then. Instead of me to add it here, I can just leave it. I'll click on this plus. I click on that plus, I click on Flatstorm Studio. In Flatstorm Studio, you'll be able to see different designs that you can use. But what I want to use now is banners, hero/banners. I'll be able to see the kind of design that I use for that website. This is it here. You can preview it, you can import it direct. So it will change. This is the kind of, if you look at it, this is it here. The only thing I did was that I changed the pictures and replaced it with my own. And that's what I'm going to do also here. I'm going to replace the picture and use our own picture there. To do that, to change the picture, you click on the picture itself, click on change. It is because of the network. think the network is somehow.
Bluetooth mode, FM mode.
And if you waiting be speed up. Just to make a no brain good.
Okay, let's go back to the network. The network is bad. I have to do it again. This home, I don't want to use this top bar. To remove this top bar, you click on customize. From customize, you click on home, menus. So I need to set the menu so that it will not display at this top bar. Click on this main menu mobile current top bar menu. So let's see. Supposed to change it. Okay. I can also remove this top bar if I don't want it. I can remove it, this top bar. Let me save this first. Let me publish it. Okay, let's go back. So header, I want to set, this is header. This header has top bar, newsletter and so on. But I don't want all this, I don't want it. I don't even want to use it. You can click on it, drag it up, or let me see. Okay, I've clicked on, okay, it has removed it. So that it will remove that top bar, it will not show it. Since I don't want to use it, but if I want to use it, I'll click on enable top bar. Click on publish. But if there's anything that I don't want to use in this second bar also, I can click on it and drag it up. Like this search icon here, if I don't want to use it, I'll just click on it and drag it up. So it will disappear, it will not show it. If I don't want to use this card, it's here. I can click on it also and drag it away. By doing that, it will hide all the things I don't want to see. It will just hide it. The same thing goes with the footer. Let's go to the footer to go and do the footer also. Like this footer, I don't need, if you look at the sample of the website we are working on, it has no footer, all those jargons that is there that came with the theme. So to remove it, to remove all this, just come to footer. You will see footer somewhere here. Top bar, header, header. Okay, let me go back. okay, this is footer here. So I don't want to use this footer. I'll just click on all the enable, just click tick it so that it will remove it. Uncheck it. Uncheck till you are okay with it. Okay, it's gone. It's remain another one. Let me see the one I've not unchecked. Let me check. Okay. Think guys. Okay, when you are through with it, you save it. Let me save it. Publish. It's gone. So this is not footer, this is post. I can delete that one from post if I don't want it. Okay, the last thing here is copyright as flat sum. I want to edit it. I don't want to see flat sum there. I want to see my own name or my website name. So let's go back to header. From this header, you'll be able to see copyright. So it's supposed to be around this place. Somewhere around there. Let's check. Once you click on it, you will see the what is inside. Let me check what is inside this. It's copyright. This one is over there. I don't know. Let me see log button, contact, search, nav icon. Let me check this. Let me check this. Okay, the contact, you can change that also by putting your phone number there. +234 Okay, the email smart digitals at gmail.com. Okay, what next? Open 8 to, let's say 8 to 6 p.m. a.m. You just have to change it and replace it with your own content. Don't forget to publish it. Okay, let's see what is here. Checkout button. Let's see what is in this block. Once you click on it, it will show you whatever that is inside. When you are through with it, you go back, you click on another place again. Check if there is anything that you need to set. Ready, you place the logo, you go back. Top bar, check it. Go back. Header main. If there is anything you need to change there. If you have nothing to change, you go back. Header bottom. You check it also. I don't have to change everything. At times, you don't need to change everything. You just change some of the things that you need, that you think that you need to change. It's not everything that you change. Let me check again. Follow contact. Okay, like this follow URL. If I have Facebook page, I'll just open my Facebook. Go to Facebook, my Facebook page, and copy the URL and paste it there. Let me click on Facebook. Let me click on so I'll click on the URL, just copy it, and then go back to your website. and paste everything there like that. The same thing with Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. You copy it and paste it there. When you are through with it, you click on publish. Then let's go back again. Okay. So when you are through with it, with the settings, you go back. You do the settings one after the other. Let me check account setting. Go back. Okay, let me close it. Okay, let me go and change the slider. This footer now is gone, but we need to change this. We are still going to change it. Edit, then click on edit with UX Builder. This slider, let me click on it. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 banners, but I don't want to use it. To delete it, you can click on the banner, click on the settings and delete. If I want to duplicate it, I can use duplicate, copy as, and so on. If I want to delete it, I can click on delete. Click on it, delete. As you can see, it's reducing one after the other. Click on it, delete. I can also use this plus to add another one to it. I can click on any one I want and add it. But I don't want to add. Let me close it. I don't want to add anything. I just want to delete it. So once you click on it, you click on delete. Click on it and delete. So I'm done. I've deleted it now. I want to create a new one. The one I want to use